Testing, giving your ideas a form and a shape. That's what this is all about, that phase test. We roll it 2 steps into one, prototyping and test into the same module. So, what is prototype? Prototype is taking your ideas, your concept from the previous step and giving it some kind of shape or form. If it is a product, look around for boxes or wires or styrofoam, anything that's just lying around, just paper plates, used paper plates, you can use them to build a prototype, give shape and form to your idea. Okay, if it is a product. If it is a software, like most of you are going to be using it, you start with a wireframe. Now, what is a wireframe? It's a simple representation of your concept. Okay, you could do it with just sticky notes with pen and paper. You can make sure that people are clicking, create those mock clicks. And what is the next user interface going to look like? What is the next screen going to look like? Just write it on a piece of paper. That's when it comes to software. Okay, there are softwares available for wireframes. You can use them also. You don't need to know prior coding, but if you do, it'll help you, enhance your experience. But mostly, it can be done with even regular your presentation software, anything like that. It can be used for prototyping a software. Services, if you're into modeling services, giving prototyping of a service, you can do it through a flow diagram, a floor plan, and add where your customer is going to be. What does the flow look like? If it's a restaurant, if it's a menu, where are the service providers, stakeholders, all that. How do you piece them all together? Okay, that's going to be the main focus, giving shape and form to your ideas. Okay, so that's going to be the mainstay focus of this entire module. Okay, so I'm sitting in a cool lab. I thought I'll have this as the backdrop. So go ahead, have fun with building your prototype. It may not be the best looking, but it has to be something that you can touch and feel and interact with. Go have fun.